Here's a little update on my little 22 Derringer. Decided to make it 9mm now. So what I did was take the 22 barrel off, use the lug. I filed out the inside of here until it fit this 9mm rifled liner. Let's see if you can see it, because everybody's saying I'm lying about using rifled liner. I don't know if you can see it or not. Anyway, file it down until the barrel goes in all smooth with no wiggle room. And what I do is I'll put it in there, push it back just until it hits right here so there's no gap. Test it. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't want any gap at all. Anyways, I'll weld this liner in right now and then show you what I do after that. After I get it welded in, I don't have any gas for my TIG, so I'm using a flux. But I'll clean that all up, chamber the barrel, and it'll be done after I blew it. And then we'll shoot it tomorrow. Thanks for watching.